All right, it's it's Tuesday. Armando Reyes and Renee, the two masons, and the assistant showed up to work this morning, so that's good news. Just talked to Armando, or he talked to me, let me know that he needed 800 pesos so he could pay the bank tomorrow. So I only had 1,000 pesos on me, so I gave him that, and then he was like, "No, I only need 800 pesos." Yeah, I told him, I'm like, "Well, you're paying the bank, but I'm not a bank. I don't just walk around with a bunch of 20s and 50s and 100s. That's all my money." And I said, maybe next time that you're going to ask me for an advance in payment, that you show up on Monday. So he took it. He took that comment. He took it well. Usually you pay them on Saturdays for the week, so I'm 87% sure he'll show up to work tomorrow, since he's already been paid for that day. We did a lot today. The plumber and his crew showed up again. I think that they weren't here when we got back from running some errands, so I think they're probably at a point now where there isn't much more they can do until we bring in the sink and shower heads and things like that. So we did buy a lot of stuff today. We went to one place, found a really nice place that actually has some nice marble sink vanity combos and other vanities with the sinks built in, and we tried to buy the sinks and the tile there, and it was about 8,500 pesos, which is $420. But she couldn't take anything but cash. She couldn't take credit cards, which she sells like some expensive stuff in there. So you're just like, geez, does everyone walk around with $500 in cash in their pocket? So we took out the tile. We ended up buying the tile somewhere else. We bought 3 toilets for the 2 bathrooms downstairs and 1 on this level, which is one of the few bathrooms that we're not going to totally remodel, but we do need to replace the toilet. The shower heads and a few other things. We tried to buy a really nice shower head, but the Tanaka, which is where the water comes down, has to be a minimum of 10 meters high, and eventually I think we may be at 10 meters, but we're definitely not there now, so we had to buy a cheaper shower head. And we got tile for the shower walls and the floors, and I'll have to talk to somebody else about doing a shower door. But I feel confident over the next day all this stuff will show up, and hopefully tomorrow's Wednesday, maybe by Thursday or Friday we'll have most of the bathroom done, which would be great, because next week we're gonna have to spend a few days here. So anyway, that's where we're at. It's about 5 o'clock on Tuesday, so I'm sure these guys are about to leave, and I'll be right behind them. All right, thanks. So we're putting a shelf in both the closets, so we'll have kind of one side here where we can hang clothes, a shelf down below, and the other side we'll have 3 shelves right there. So we're doing that on both sides. Other things you forget you need is you have to add this tile trim throughout. So I've got to figure out how much of that we need, and I guess I'm going to try to match it up to what's in here already. So so I'm doing the measurements on how much of that stuff that I need, and we'll I guess try to get that in the next couple of days. Oh yeah, this looks like there's the shelves right there, so that's kind of cool. All right. We've almost finished all of the EPS work in this bottom unit. You can see we used them here for these closets. That's an incomplete, obviously. And then and here's basically the completed EPS panel closet shelves right there. That above is cement. All right, I'm trying to see right there. That's actually cement there, but that's the EPS there. This is the EPS right here, this wall. And they're finishing up in here. Here's the other side of it to complete this wall here. So you hear it. It sounds a little hollow, but it's pretty good. And then in here as well, I think I showed this the other day. So this is where the refrigerator will tuck in right behind here. So yeah. But I think we're going to continue to do this EPS thing. It's a lot easier to go up, and it looks pretty good. Thinner. It's not too expensive. The other day I met the Grupo Azteca company here, where you can buy a lot of like plumbing supplies and toilets and sinks and all that stuff. And right now I'm waiting for the sand company, and we're going to meet here so they can follow me up to the casa. I don't know what the deal is, because when we type in the address into like Google Maps, it shows up, but I don't know if people just don't use Google Maps or GPS or anything like that, or they're just not familiar with how addresses work. But everything's difficult. It's not what's the street number and street number and the street name, but it's you know, where are you close to? What beach are you close to, and what buildings are nearby, and what color's the house? That's how they do it. So, so I don't know. We're gonna have to come up with a really good name that people will remember and can find us once this thing is done, so we don't have to constantly meet the pizza guy or whatever to show up at when they try to deliver to our place. Time to tear this wood crap out. Almost there. And done. I bought some stuff right there to work on repairing the ceiling. So we'll do that. I've taken out some of these here. I'm going to take out the last 3 today, and maybe next week we'll have the glass guy come out and finalize his measurements so we can get those installed. Things are coming along. I keep thinking we're almost done, and then something else pops up. So we decided we needed to really repair the ceiling where the rebar's rusting out. So we're working on that, as you can see, and they still need to finish off this closet here, but we've started some of the work in the bathroom, and the plan is on Saturday to have the plumber come out and finish it, and we'll see if that comes to fruition or not. But very, very slowly we're getting there, and we're also slowly getting rid of some of the debris out here. I was positive by the time our renters arrived this week that we would have the downstairs ready and could live down there, but as you can see, we're upstairs in this makeshift apartment until we finish the work down below. So hopefully in another couple videos and maybe another couple weeks we'll be done, and I can actually show a completed unit that's livable down there. So we'll see though. All right, thanks for watching.